Okay guys, I couldn't show you guys everything I did on this computer, all the process and steps involved before I could get to the final solution. The owner of this desktop computer brought it to my office for fixing, because it doesn't display on the screen. Firstly, disconnect all RAM connected on the motherboard. Then disconnect the fan and loosen the heat sink from the motherboard. Carefully pull out the fan attached to the heat sink. Then remove the clip holding the processor. Carefully remove the processor gently from the motherboard. Then replace with a new processor. It must be the same match of the computer. Then clip the processor firmly. Then gently tighten the heat sink back to the motherboard. Connect both the fan to the motherboard. Plug back the connector of the fan firmly to the motherboard. Plug back the RAM to the slots. Plug back the power cable, the VGA cable and other USB attached to the computer. The system will boot and will automatically display on the screen, showing it's perfectly okay. The system will automatically display on the screen showing it is perfectly okay and good. Kindly hit the like button, share and follow.